So, like, what am I supposed to do? No one there.
Oh, look at those Goombas. Let's kill them.
Where's Mario and Maya?
Oh, I heard Mario went to France. I don't know why. And I think Mario ran into a piranha plant. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's weird.
I'm coming, my sticky wife. Oh, damn it, wrong side. My brain! Thank God.
Maybe I should go this way.
Hello, Mario.
Morning, Koopa. What are you doing here?
I'm here to kill you! Where are they? Oh, what the hell is this? Oh my God!
Now it's over. Hey, that was good. Damn, I lost ice. Hey, Martin Koopa, how do you like my new whip? And my new pet? Oh, he's dead. See ya!
Now I'm going out of fire. You mother.
Oh, God.
I'm coming, my sticky wife. Yeah. Excluded from the film. Not my fault.